Many people use WhatsApp on their phones to chat easily with others. The conversations we have on WhatsApp are important to us, like memorable moments, and nobody wants to lose them. Wondering if you can get back deleted WhatsApp messages without a backup? Well, you are in luck because in this video I'll teach you how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages without backup on iPhone and Android. So, without any further delay, let's get into the video. But before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this one. Can WhatsApp data be recovered without backup? It's okay to lose important WhatsApp data, especially if you don't have a backup. There are ways to recover your chat history without a backup, but some methods may impact your data quality. That's why using a third-party tool makes sense. This video will be using the most reliable third-party data recovery software to help you regain your lost data, which you can find in the video description. Method 1. Restore deleted WhatsApp messages without backup. For this method, we'll be using the best data recovery software, which is nothing but AnyRecover. AnyRecover makes it easy to recover lost WhatsApp messages on Android and iPhone without needing a backup. It's a reliable third-party tool that can retrieve various types of lost data on Android and iPhone devices. AnyRecover also supports recovering data from storage devices like SD cards, HDD, and SSD, and it supports all types of data, be it videos, photos, or even document files like Excel, PDF, PPT, etc. So just check the video description to try this recovery tool, and for a limited period of time, we have an exclusive YouTube discount just for you. After downloading and installing, run AnyRecover. Connect your smartphone to your computer and click on WhatsApp mode. If you're using an Android device, then make sure the USB debugging is enabled. And if you're using an iPhone, then you'll have to trust the computer on your iPhone. If you don't know about it, then just follow the on-screen instructions. After the phone is connected successfully to your computer, click on the Start button. Now, AnyRecover will scan your device for all the WhatsApp data. Once the process completes, click on the Next button and click on OK. Enter your login credentials and follow the on-screen steps. Wait for the process to complete. Alright, now you can select the chats and even select photos, videos, and other data. Next, click on Recover to PC. Select the location where you want to paste the encrypted chats. And that's it. Method 2. Restore WhatsApp messages via local backup. If you don't use Google Drive or WhatsApp backups, the app automatically creates backup on your Android device. This works only for Android, and you can find the backup in the following location, which is nothing but SD card, WhatsApp, databases. If you're using a newer device, then follow my lead. First, on your Android phone, open your File Explorer. And then go to your internal storage. Go to Android, and then go to Media. Here, open com.whatsapp folder. Go inside WhatsApp, then open Databases. Here you'll need to rename the following, which is nothing but msgstore followed by the date .db.crypt14 to msgstore.db.crypt14. Once that is done, uninstall WhatsApp and reinstall it again. Now tap on Restore when prompted, and there you have it. For iPhone users, the first method is just best for you. But if you're using an Android device, you can try the second method as well. But if you ask me, using the first method is hands down the easiest and the best method to get your deleted WhatsApp messages back. Also, don't forget to find the YouTube discount code on the channel homepage, which is nothing but ARYT0110 to receive a 10% discount on your license. On the buy page, the lifetime upgrades are a big deal, so I'll apply it. Paste the code on this area and get 2 discounts. Remember that this is a limited time discount, so make sure you act fast. Well, in this way, you can easily restore deleted WhatsApp messages without backup from iPhone and Android. Make sure to follow each and every steps carefully to avoid any errors, and still, if you have any doubts or questions, then feel free to let us know in the comment box down below. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the upcoming video.